If your laptop or computer is restarting again and again, and if you go to repair market, computer market, and like ask for the problem, like what exactly happening. So the person says you like your hard disk should be replaced, and this is the main cause of restarting your device. So what exactly you should do before going to replace your hard disk? So you should, the question is this: should I replace the hard disk due to restarting of your device or not? So like your device is working, but sometimes usually it's restarting. So you can open, like, type here cmd command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Now here a pop-up window will appear. Maybe it's not showing in the recording, so you will have to click on yes. Now here you will have to type one command, chkdsk, like check disk, and press enter. So within few seconds, you will get every information about the hard disk. Like you can see, the type of the file system is anti-fs, and this check disk is read only mode, and now this is on the stage one. Okay, and like some percentage has been completed, and still it's remaining, so it's doing. As I told you, within few seconds you will get the information, all information. Now it's on stage 2. This step will take few minutes or few seconds, but this step can save a lot of your money, because maybe there is no need to replace the hard disk, but the person is asking you to replace. So this step you will have to do before taking any step regarding the change of hard disk or replace the hard disk. So you can see Windows has scanned the file system and found no problems. No further action is required. You can see, like, total disk space, and then files, indexes, sectors, everything has been scanned. You can see, like, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. In stage 1, Windows examining, like, basic file system structure. So Windows examined actually basic file system structure in the first step, then examined file name linkage, and then security descriptors. So everything has been scanned, and after this successfully scanned, they have not found, Windows have not found any errors. So Windows has scanned the file system and found no problems. So if there is no problem in your hard disk, so it will appear here. So if the person is asking you to replace the hard disk, you should not, because there is no error, there is no problem in your device. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. And now, before replacing your hard disk, you will do this step. Thank you so much once again. Please subscribe my channel.